Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to correct tax filing errors in Gusto. Nobody's perfect, and that includes tax filings, whether it's a wrong employee detail, a misclassification, or a form filed with outdated information. Gusto gives you tools to correct tax filing errors quickly and easily. Now here's how to handle it when things go sideways. The first step, identify the error. Now first, figure out exactly what went wrong. This could be probably an incorrect employee SSNs or names, maybe wrong wage or tax amounts, or it could be a filing made under the wrong tax ID or state. All you got to do is check your payroll summaries and filed forms in the tax and compliance section. Now, once you've identified the error, step 2, contact Gusto support for filed forms. Now, if a tax form has already been filed, you're going to need to reach out to Gusto's support team. Just go to help and contact support to get in touch with Gusto's support team. And you can provide the filing period, the form type, and just describe the issue. Gusto will determine whether an amendment is required and help submit the corrected version. Step 3, make corrections in your accounts. Now for future filings, you want to fix the source of the error to prevent it from recurring. All you got to do is update employee details under people and team members. So go to people's tab and then click team members, and then you can adjust wages, classifications, or exemption details as needed. You can also review your company tax information in settings, taxes. So go to settings and select taxes to review your company's tax information, and make sure everything is accurate before the next payroll run or quarterly filings. Step 4, reissue corrected forms if needed. Now, if the mistake impacts year-end documents like W-2s or 1099s, Gusto can issue corrected versions. These will also be resubmitted to the IRS and state emergencies on your behalf. And you're going to receive a notification once the correction is completed and available for download. Step 5, keep an eye on filing deadlines. Now, amendments can be submitted at any time, but the earlier the better, especially if you're close to quarterly or year-end deadlines. Mistakes happen, but with Gusto, they're fixable. Stay transparent, take actions early, and let the system work for you. Up next, generating year-end tax reports like a pro is coming up, so you want to stay tuned for that. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.